My research focuses on immigrant children and families and their language and literacy learning processes. So in the past 10 years, I've been conducting research with children and families and how they maintain their heritage language, which is language other than English that they speak at home. And I learned that a lot of children and families give up on maintaining their heritage language because we focus so much on English language learning in schools and society. So that really inspired me to create a space outside of school where children and families can learn from each other, share resources for maintaining heritage language.
I think this event will help families and children to learn about different histories, heritage values, tradition, and a lot of information about their countries and their languages that they were not able to access to on themselves.
The biggest inspiration for us to do this project is to really utilize the community knowledge, especially the high school youth, the youth who from the heritage language community, their experiences they would like to share with the broader community, but also for us as researchers and university-based scholars to really tap into the knowledge from different families, from different communities.
This is a really amazing opportunity to reach out to bilingual families and children so that they can connect it with each other and then value their own heritage language and culture, as well as their own diverse identities.
Kids have fun. They just want to play with their parents, their siblings, and they compete with each other or do all of it by themselves.
So being here in the US, we have quite many challenges. Like we don't have any, a perfect community to help us maintaining our local languages.
Which means that at home we're trying to speak Fula more, so that at least you can maintain the speaking of the language. This is something that we wish we could have on a regular basis, because I see my daughter is so excited to come to this kind of workshop, and she discovered that she can pick up a book and talk about her own culture, share a lot about where she comes from, and she's so excited about it.
This is helping me because I can look more and specific of my language and my culture and think about it more and what's unique about it.
I think the biggest challenge is how to make it more sustainable. It takes a lot to bring folks together, to get fundings, to provide materials, and also to engage family with more fun ideas. It's both challenging and also rewarding.
If ever this event is happening again, I will reach out to more families.
Even though you're not a bilingual, family, you don't speak other than English, you will see the value of diversity.
So moving forward, we hope to further develop our resource and make it available in various different languages. And I hope that in the future, I could collaborate with scholars and educators from different linguistic backgrounds and promote multilingualism together collectively so that we can make these events more accessible and friendly to families from different socioeconomic and cultural backgrounds.